Do you know how to recover lost files after iOS update? As we know, we will lose files every time a new update rolls out, and sometimes someone even encounters the white Apple logo screen of this issue here. To fix this issue, they need to factory reset. We can see this video to learn how to factory reset iOS device. However, factory reset will cause data loss. Therefore, how to recover data after iOS update has become a top concern to everyone. Fortunately, MiniTool mobile recovery for iOS can help to recover data saved on iOS device effectively. We need to connect iOS device to computer and then launch MiniTool mobile recovery for iOS. Here, in this window, we can see there are three models. Here, we show how to recover from iOS device. Now, click Scan to scan the data saved on the devices. After scanning, we can see all file data are listed here, including photos, videos, messages, contacts, call history, notes, calendars. Now we need to select only the files and then click Recover to store these. After all operations are done, you have finished recovering lost data. Thanks for watching.